Welcome to my garden. My name is Suiei Naito, and today I'll be creating a New Year's arrangement based on ShoChikuBai, the three friends of winter. The three friends are pine, bamboo, and plum. These three friends are often depicted in Japanese artwork and in ceramics. Shall we begin? The first is Sho, which is pine, and Matsu in Japanese. The pine is known for its longevity. And pine trees, I just thought they were like maybe hundreds of years old, but actually they're thousands of years old. And there's some in California that are over 4,000 years old. Now this particular branch here today came from the Buddhist temple of Alameda. And I was very fortunate. I didn't cut it from their temple, but I was very fortunate to be there the day that the pruners were there. And they saved me this beautiful branch. Now the branch isn't perfect, you know. It's old and it's lost some of its tips here. But perhaps it's because I'm Buddhist, but I think it's okay. To me, the beauty is really of Ikebana is really in the impermanence. Now next, I'm going to do bamboo for ShoChiku. So chiku is bamboo. Now let's see here. And it's take in Japanese. Let's navigate a little bit here. And the bamboo is known for its flexibility. And I think, first I thought flexibility, bamboo is so strong and hard, but when you see it swaying in the wind, it truly is flexible. And in the winter time, which we're talking about ShoChikuBai, when this is just a plain stalk, but normally it has all these leaves, and the snow piles up on the leaves, and then it just bends all the way down to the ground with the weight of the snow. And then as the snow, well, let me see, as the snow melts away, the bamboo just bends right back up and shows an amazing amount of resistance and able to be flexible in all these difficult times. Hey. Okay, please stay. This is what happens when you don't have an assistant during the COVID times. Okay, I think we're good. Now, the third piece of ShoChikuBai is bai, which is plum. And plum in Japanese is ume, and it symbolizes pure spirit. So today, since I'm filming this in the fall and I don't have any plum available, I decided to use chrysanthemum instead. And I'm going to use this chrysanthemum to show, instead of the plum, the pure spirit of ShoChikuBai. There are thousands of varietals of mums in Japan. And it's actually one of the Emperor of Japan chose one of the varietals to use as their imperial seal. More in here. I'll take this leaf out here. Some more Nonten. I wish I did have Plum here today. It's always so beautiful. I always thought that plums bloomed in the spring. However, you know, with ShoChikuBai, they actually, I found out that they bloom in the late winter in Japan. And one year I was in Kanazawa when it was snowing outside, and I saw this amazing plum blossom trying to bloom in the middle of while it was snowing, and the garden was covered with snow. It was so beautiful. I stopped, and I think it was probably one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. And then truly understood why they say that the plum is pure spirit. A little bit too long. Not liking that. Let's see. So many choices here. Get all tangled up here. Let's see. Put a little bit over here. And my Kenzan, I think. No, maybe not. Another few in here. I like to add a piece of Nandina. Now, Nandina is considered a very auspicious plant in Japan. And Nandina in Japanese is Nonten.
The common name is heavenly bamboo, and Nonten translates to southern sky in Japanese. But there's another word, Nonten, and it's kind of like a wordplay, where non means hardship and ten means change.
And together, it means that, let me put this down in here, that hardships will change for the better. So I'm putting this in here today, since this past year, this is a New Year's arrangement, and this past year, 2020, has had so many hardships on so many of us. I'm hoping that with this arrangement, it will bring better change for all of us in the year 2021. Whoops. Let's see. These beautiful berries. Don't want them to get lost here. That's good. Maybe, So for my final piece today, I'm going to add a little piece of mizuhiki. Now this is made out of rice paper, and they come in many colors like gold, silver, even purple and orange. But today I'm using red and white because red and white is used in Japan for celebratory events that bring much joy and happiness. And for my New Year's arrangement today, it's a perfect combination of red and white. I'm just going to hang it in here and add it to my arrangement, like that. Oh, there you go. I think that works. Okay, there you go. Thank you. I hope you've enjoyed my demonstration today.